Now working on the asset side of the balance sheet, and we'll skip over first item here, cash and cash equivalents. Notice that's a plug figure as well as being a minimum percentage of sales. So as a plug figure, again, that's to make things balance. So we'll do that at the end. That's typically what I would do. All right, next item is percentage of sales. So we can jump up here and find something that's percentage of sales, like cost of sales, and just copy that. That should work. And we'll make sure. Yeah, that works fine. And then for cost of goods sold, all right, percentage cost of goods sold, we'll need to calculate this. There's probably something that's cost of goods sold, but we'll go ahead and calculate it. So we got that percentage, F4 times cost of sales, which is the same thing as cost of goods sold. Okay, and then we got a fixed item. All right, total assets, total current assets, excuse me, sum of the items above it. Oh, I'm going to do an equal sign there. All right, and we include cash in that as well, of course, and it'll update as we finish it. We're doing the property, plant, and equipment in class, so I'll skip that. Goodwill's fixed. Okay, lock that in. And let's see, other intangibles. It says see other assumptions. I'm going to jump up here and so we'll, okay, so we're working here, and then I'll actually go down to the additional assumptions and hold down the control and using the arrow key. So here's our additional assumptions. All right, so for other intangibles, we have information about these three things. What's the amortization? That came from the 10K. All right, so, and then we have assumptions about adding new intangible assets and sales of intangible assets. So we'll reference these three things here. So we got prior year minus the amortization. That came from the 10K. And we would add any addition, which is assumed to be 0, but we can change that if we would like to later. It'll update appropriately. And then minus any sales. All right. All those are relative. Okay. And then the other assets, the percentage of sales, so we can just copy here and paste. All right. And we'll make sure that that looks okay. So it's picking up that, and I know that G9 is the sales figure. Excuse me, yeah, sales figure. Okay, so escape, and then we'll do total current assets, or excuse me, total assets is the sum. Okay, so we'll pick up total current all the way down through here. All right, again, we got a couple of things to fill in, and we're doing this in class for these two things. And we can go ahead and copy these over.